Hello friends, welcome to my channel Basic Japanese Language. This video for those people who are learning for JLPT N5 and N4 exam. Let's start today's session without wasting time. In last class we learned na, ni, nu, ne, no. Today we are going to learn ha, he, fu, he, ho. Look at here and say ha, he, fu, he, ho. Okay. So today we learn ha, he, fu, he, ho. Ha. First stroke, second stroke, third stroke. Ha. 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 Okay. Do you know we learn K in car? K is like this, but ha is like this. This person is difference in K and ha. Okay. So after ha, it is he. He. This is a single stroke like this. Okay. He. He. Okay. Next is fu. First stroke, second stroke, third stroke, fourth stroke. Fu. 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 Okay. After fu, it is he. He. It is a single stroke and it is easy to write. He. Okay. Next is ho. Ho. First stroke, second stroke, third stroke, fourth stroke. Ho. 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 It is little bit similar to ha, but in right side we have single stroke in ha and double stroke in ho. Okay, this is ho. The difference in ha and ho is this person. Okay, first is here we have single stroke, here double stroke. The second is here we have cross. This row it should be cross, but here it does not cross. Okay. So my friends, today we learn ha, he, fu, he, ho. And in this row we also learn the alphabets with voice mark. And here we are going to learn a new voice mark, that is you can say handakuten or maru. Or you can also say plosive mark, because the pronunciation we will do with lips. Okay. This is the voice mark we learn. Along with this, we learn this voice mark also in this row. And this is the only row where we can implement this voice mark in Hiragana and also Katakana. Okay. Learn. Let's see what is the difference in between this. The writing pattern is same as like Karo, Saro and Taro. Same ha, hi, fu, he, ho, but in the right upper corner this voice mark only come. Okay. Let's see. This is ha. When we have ten, its pronunciation changes to ba. And when we have handakuten or maru, or you can say plosive mark, the pronunciation changes to pa. Okay. This is he. When you have voice mark, the pronunciation changes to b. And when you have plosive mark or maru, the pronunciation changes to p. This is who. When we have voice mark, the pronunciation changes to bo. And when we have maru, the pronunciation will change to po. This is he. When we have voice mark, the pronunciation changes to be. And when we have plosive mark or handakuten or you can say maru, the pronunciation will change to pe. This is ho. When we have voice mark, this changes to bo. And when we have handakuten or maru, the pronunciation changes to po. Okay, my friends. Let's read. Ha, ba, pa, hi, bi, pi, fu, bu, pu, he, be, pe, ho, bo, po. Okay. Today we learn ha, he, hu, he, ho, and with help of the voice mark and handakuten or you can say plosive mark, we learn ba, bi, bu, be, bo and pa, pi, pu, pe, po. Okay. So now time for the test. Phune, hata, hana, hi, hebi, hasi. Okay. Read with me. Phune, hata, hana, hi, hebi, hasi. Okay. So my friend, today's class is this much. Thank you for watching my video. Sayonara.